Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this metric 10 die, a circular die. Let's start together. We are opening a new part, and in front plane we are creating a sketch, and here I am putting a 40 millimeter diameter circle, and I'm starting with a line and converting this to a construction geometry, and then here we create a line again like V shape. Just by pressing my left button I'm passing by two line and one center line, and then automatically I can add a mirror relationship, as you see here, make symmetric. And after that we are going to give the degree. The degree is 60 degree, and from our center to here it is 17 millimeter, and this area is 3.5 millimeter wide, 3.5. And the last thing that we are going to create in the sketch, our center hole. It is for metric 10, it is 8.5. When everything is done, we just create a boss extrude. This is going to be 12 millimeter wide, and now I go put my chamfers 1.5 millimeter. We added our chamfers. Center was 1.5. This guys was smaller, and then I am adding here 1 millimeter. Yes. And then now we are going to put the other cutouts on the surface. Here circle, and fourth time we made a circular pattern, and diameter is 9, and I'm creating a center line and making these two symmetric on that area, and on their center I put a extra circle by just having here and converting it to construction geometry. And then this diameter will be 15.5. and when everything is done, as you see, our sketch becoming black. And now I just go cut my part. Now the step now going to be our thread profile. For this we are having standard tables you can find on internet. I have checked for you. This is an example standard table for thread profile for metric, not in bold. According to that, we just create here a basic sketch. Yes, and connecting this to point with a line again. These are going to be construction line. From center I go to construction geometry. Profile is 60. By pressing our left click, left mouse button, and passing by through three objects, I make them symmetric. And here also we are having one other profile. This is also going to be 60. This is our outer diameter for metric 10, it is 10. From here to here there is a value which is called H. This is 0.888 0.8 0.663 multiplied by your pitch. For metric tennis pitch, 1.5 millimeter, and then you just create your profile highness, and this is the total highness of the thread, one thread, and this area, this free space is divided by 8, the total height of your thread. And the same also here, we are going to put here same value and divide it by 8. We are having also same. To make sketches finish, let's give here a 5 millimeter value, and then everything is done. And now we just go create on this diameter reference plane. This is going to be our diameter for helix, and the diameter for there automatically defined by our sketch. And now with features, I just go create a helix. Our pitch is 1.5 millimeter, and I'm making 20 revolution. It should just specify our model. After this is done, the only thing that we are making here, making the cut, sweep cut with our profile, but we must take our profile in a sketch. We open here a sketch, and this is the profile that we must use from here to here, and somewhere I put like that, and making this vertical and finishing on this existing sketch, my edge. This is going to be our thread profile, and I select it, and when I enter the sweep cut, it is already here, as you see, and then I'm just defining my helix and saying program cut. Exactly, this is what we want. Everything is ready. I'm just going to create now some writings on the surface. Always you see in this kind of dies the name, the material, always we see it is 11.5, and let's say this 10 millimeter, and I just one time make circular sketch pattern 2 and placing it there. In one going to be HSS, which is material, at the other going to be the size of tool that we are using. These are the writings. Quickly I made it, and I'm just making a split on the surface. When you just came on this splitter surface, you can, by clicking them, giving a color, as you see, we made it. And now the last thing that we are going to make, a connection fixing positions for the tool where you put the die in the operation when you want to use this tool. This extra cutout and these holes for placing, it's not allowing the tool is turning. This is 118 millimeter, which is standard for drill bits, and our the drill bit here 6.5 millimeter, and from center to here we just go 17 millimeter, and I just close my sketch. By the way, this was unnecessary. And we make revolve cut on this edge, as you see we placed here, and with circular pattern I copied one time. The direction is must be changed 90 degree from this surface. I copied, and now our tool is ready. This is how we model this kind of tool. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please press the like button.